All of you, quickly open your English language copies and see the heading what is written on the board. Informal letter. We are going to do informal letter today. In half yearlies, we did formal letter application to the principal. Yes. For finals, it is informal letter. Informal letter means the letter which you give to your friends, to your uncles, to your relatives. That those type of letters are called informal letters. Okay. So put heading on a fresh page, informal letter. Put today's date. Put today's date and put heading informal letter. I'm going to tell you how you have to write it. Put heading. Ready? Informal letter. Now you will write the question with black pen. Write the question. Write a letter. Write a letter to your uncle. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him. Thanking him. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift. For the gift he sent you on your birthday. For the gift he sent you on your birthday. Done? I'm repeating. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift he sent you on your birthday. This is the question. Alright. Now how you have to start. First you will write the address on the left hand side of the page. On the left hand side of the page you are going to write the address. Look at the board. Here you will write the address of your uncle to whom you are giving the letter, to whom you are sending the letter. You are going to write the address, that address. All right, but all of you write this common address, otherwise you will do mistakes. Some children will write their own address, some children will write somebody else's address. So do one thing, write this address what I am writing on the board. All right, B104/20 Park Road, Lucknow. All right. Then date. Date will be the present date, today's date. B. See on the board, see on the screen. B 104/20 Park Road, Lucknow. And then in the next line, date. In the next line, date. Yes. Yes. Lucknow in the next line. You have to write as I have written. Same manner. And then in the next line, date. Date will be the present date. date will be the present date. Now, for example, if your exam is on 4th of March, so if and letter has come there to write, so here the date will be 4th March. Here the date will be 4th March. Means whenever you are writing the letter, you have to write the current date, the present date, not the previous date. Okay? Alright. After this, after date, you will leave a line and then you will write, Dear Uncle and Aunt. Dear Uncle and Aunt. After date, you will leave a line and then write Dear Uncle and Aunt and put comma there. Dear Uncle and Aunt, put comma there. This much done? Now, where you have put the comma, from here you will start writing in the next line. Next line, from here you will write, I hope. In the next line, under the comma, start writing from under the comma. In the next line, I hope both of you. I hope both of you. Then you will come back here again after that line. I hope both of you are in the good health and spirits. Like this. Means look here. Can you see? From here, the child has started, and then again from the whole paragraph you have to write. Understood? First line you have to start under the below the comma. First line you will start from the half line, and then all full lines you have to write. Okay, all the full lines. So I am dictating, you write. I hope both of you are. I hope both of you are in the best of health and spirits, or in the good health and spirits. In the good health and spirits. Full stop. Then continue. All of us, all of us, all of us are fine here. All of us are fine here. Full stop. Thank you for, thank you for, thank you for sending me. Thank you for sending me a beautiful watch. Thank you for sending me a beautiful watch as my birthday present. As my birthday present. Thank you for sending me a beautiful watch as my birthday present. Full stop. I wore it. I wore it. WORE. I wore it to my school today. I wore it to my school today. Full stop. My friends admired it. Admired. ADMIRED. Admired it. Full stop. They like the black they like the black glittering dial. They like the black glittering dial. GLITTERING. Glittering. Dial. 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 They like the black glittering dial. Are you all writing? Okay, full stop. Full stop. Your gift, your gift. Where is Rishita today? Rishita has not joined. Rishita has joined. Okay, yes. The camera is off, Rishita. All right. Your gift is of great use to me. Your gift is of great use to me. Your gift is of great use to me, comma, as as I need it, as I need it, as I need it during my examinations, during my examination, as I need it during my examination. 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 Full stop. I promise. I promise to take care of it. I promise to take care of it. Now you will change the paragraph. Change the paragraph. Start from the next line. Leave half line and then write. Mummy and daddy, mummy and daddy, mummy and daddy are conveying. Mummy and daddy are conveying. 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 Mummy and daddy are conveying their regards. THEIR. Their regards. 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 Their regards. Full stop. My love to all my cousins. My love to all my cousins. 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 My love to all my cousins. Now, You will leave a line. After leaving a line on the left side, here, after leaving a line on the left side, you will write, girls will write your loving niece, boys will write your loving nephew. Okay? Your, and it is your, not yours, only your loving niece, girls will write, your loving nephew, boys will write. Niece spelling Niece, niece. Nephew spelling Nephew. Nephew. Don't write both things. If you are a girl, write niece. If you are a boy, write nephew. And then in the next line, below it, write your first name only. Don't write your full name. Write your first name. Like if your name is Akansha Rawat, so you will write your loving niece Akansha. Your loving nephew Ayush. Your loving niece Aarti. Only first name you will write. So whatever is your first name, you write that. Like if I have to write, I will write like this. Your loving niece Priyanka. Okay? So you will write your first name here. Clear? I'm repeating the letter. Please recheck. First, you have to write the address on the left hand side, then date. The date will be the present date. Then, after it, you are going to leave a line and start Dear Uncle and Aunt, put the comma, and then you will start writing from below the comma. I hope both of you are in the good or best, you can write anything, of health and spirits, full stop. All of us are fine here. Thank you for sending me a beautiful watch as my birthday present. I wore it to my school today. My friends admired it. They liked the black glittering dial. Your gift is of great use to me, comma, as I need it especially during my examination. Full stop. I promise to take care of it. Then you will change the paragraph from the next line. Mummy and Daddy are conveying their regards. My love to all my cousins, your loving niece or nephew, then your name. Okay? Letter is clear? Letter will come in the examination for sure. So learn the letter today itself. Okay? Letter will come of 10 marks. Alright? So make sure you learn the letter today itself and prepare it. Any other doubt or any query? Divya Dhamija, speak properly. Letter is clear to everybody? Okay, so your homework is that you have to learn this letter today, right? Okay, bye bye.